If you want your septic system to last decades without costing you a fortune, knowing how to care for it properly is a total game changer. First off, check your town bylaws to figure out how often you're allowed to pump your septic tank, because that's the legal limit you gotta follow. For us, it's at least once a year, and we're just a family of 2, so that works well. When they pump the tank, don't just let them suck out the liquids. Make sure they backflush it to get rid of all those solids stuck inside. Solids are the real enemy here, because if they pile up, your system's gonna clog and break down way faster. Liquids can move through fine, as long as the solids don't cause blockages. To keep your septic system running smooth for about 40 years, regular pumping and solid removal is key. If you ignore it and let solids build up, you're looking at more like 20 years before you hit major problems. And yeah, nothing about house stuff is cheap or free. So think of every penny spent on your septic system as an investment in your home's future. My husband does a ton of the work around here, and trust me, it pays off big time to stay on top of this stuff. One of the biggest mistakes people make with septic tanks is waiting too long between pumpings, which causes solids to accumulate and block the system. Fix this by scheduling regular cleanings every year or as recommended. Another common issue is not checking local regulations before servicing the tank, which can lead to fines or improper maintenance. Always verify town bylaws first to stay compliant. Lastly, many folks forget to ensure the technician does a thorough backflush during pumping, leaving solids behind that cause early failures. Always confirm that backflushing is part of the process so the tank gets fully cleaned out. BigHomeProjects.com makes life easier by connecting homeowners with trusted local contractors who know their stuff and get the job done right. Contractors also find new work through the site, helping them grow their business while giving you reliable options for your home projects.